Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your video to Adobe Premiere on Gling.ai. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Gling.ai and you want to go ahead and enhance your visuals and effects using Adobe Premiere. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But with that being said, we're going to go into our Gling.ai app. And let's go ahead and open up this example project here. Now, in order to actually export to Adobe Premiere, on the upper right hand side, you're going to click on Export, and then you're going to click on Adobe Premiere. So my video editing workflow process is that I input the raw video into Gling.ai so that I can just remove all these silences and then cut out all the unnecessary information. And so Gling.ai actually already does that automatically. But then afterwards, I export it to Adobe Premiere as a .dot file, so that once I actually export that and then open it up, it's going to automatically open up on my Adobe Premiere application. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and export your video file from Gling.ai to Adobe Premiere. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.